Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of Song Beyond the World, also known as Fugue Across the World, chapter 69. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Yang Chu's house. After Xiaoying and Yang Chu and Shan Lenin's affair, Lu came back home. When they go back home, been bumped to Ahe. Xiaoyin asked him, "Why did you come to show tonight?" "Ahe, she came from upstairs and now she's going down. Seems that she was carrying a coffee." Ahe seems to be puzzled. "Well, because I've been busy recently. Sorry, Xiaoying." Ahe seems to be apologetic and he was looking on Xiaoying. "Xiaoying, you can go wash first. I'll talk to Ahe about something." Xiaoying answered and said, "Oh, okay." "Oh, it seems that there's a misunderstanding right now." Looking at Ahe, Yang Chu and Ahe was looking at Xiaoying's back. Two of them still not speaking but only watching Xiaoying. "Well, master, it seems that you have a very happy life after evaporating the world. Xiaoying and Yang Rufing are different. Let's go into the study room and talk about it." Right now, Yang Chu, she looks really serious. Well, it really feels strange. Why suddenly Ahe become like this? Back to the study room. The two of them are now going to talk about Yang Yuping matters and Xiaoying. "I understand your feelings for Xiaoying and I'm very supportive. But you can be so fun your feelings and don't ask about Bising Tang affairs anymore. During this time, I can still see the scalp. Can I always?" "Oh, it turns out like this." Yang Chu seems that forgotten about Bising Tang affairs. "Ah, I want Channeline." Suddenly, Yang Shu said to Ahe. Hearing this right now, Ahe, she seems to be surprised. Of course, it was really surprising. Why suddenly Yang Shu wanting Channeline? "Okay, you're so dashing. Hands off, shopkeeper." Well, Ahe, he really lost her control. Then, as soon as he came back to Lion's open his mouth and said that she wants Channeline, you really dare to mention it. "I'm serious about this," Yang just said to Ahe. "Ah, I have known you so for so long. Haven't I asked you for anything?" Xiaoying said to her. "Oh, this girl. She really know how to coax people." Even though Ahe is one this time, Channeline, Yang Shu, she was really serious and wants to talk it about Ahe. Right now, Ahe seems that it was really difficult for him to accept this. "As long as Channeline, I want to get it. I'm sure we can go to repeating for shipyards. Shipyard is in our own hands. The brothers of Bising Tangs, me and you, can divide it. But right now, Ahe, stop talking, Yang Chu." Now Ahe seems to be getting mad. Of course, for him right now, Yang Chu, she's losing herself. I've already inquired about it. Maybe it doesn't require a lot of money. It's the location of the sub-buildings, so right now it seems that she was really determined about this. I want to use that to pursue people in Jishilao. Yang Chu, for a woman, you have to pay so much just to make her happy. Make her adoptive father look at her with more respect from now on. She has been in channeling for so long. Why don't you just keep going like this? What's more, you don't know how to run a dance hall at all. Right now, well, it's really getting crazy. The two of them seems to be have a deep argument at this moment. Ahe seems to be furious, and right now, it's really not good. The two of them seems to help each other. Right now, please be careful with your words. Xiaoying is my partner now. Yang Chu said to Ahe. Hey guys, there's a part 2. Just wait for it for a little. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!